Still using an old streaming stick that just loads apps? What if your TV could recommend what to watch, organize your content, and respond to your voice, all in stunning 4K? Imagine a streaming experience that feels smart, personal, and effortless. Let's talk about the Google TV Streamer 4K. Your all-in-one entertainment upgrade. With personalized content, Google Assistant built in, and control over your smart home, this little device does way more than stream. Let's see if it's the streaming solution your setup's been missing. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the remote control with batteries, power adapter with USB Type-C cable, Google TV Streamer 4K. If you want to grab the Google TV Streamer 4K from Amazon, just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features? The Google TV Streamer delivers shows and movies quickly, easily, and personalized to you. Get fast performance, responsive navigation, and tailored recommendations from Google's most advanced streamer yet. Launch your favorite app with a single click. No scrolling, no waiting. And if your remote goes missing, just make it ring and find it in seconds. Simple, smart, and stress-free. Sleek, compact, and designed to fit beautifully into any space, this streamer doesn't just look good, it does good too. Made with at least 65% recycled plastic, it's entertainment with a lighter footprint. With a generous 32 gigabytes of storage, the Google TV Streamer gives you the freedom to download more of what you love, from your favorite streaming apps to games, media, and smart home tools. No more worrying about space, just seamless access to the content that matters most, all in one place. Take control of your smart home right from your TV. Adjust lights, check your cameras, and more, all without ever hitting pause on your favorite show. Specifications. How to connect. To get started, simply connect the Google TV Streamer to an available HDMI port on your TV. Then, plug the included power cable into a wall outlet to turn the device on. Once powered, your TV should automatically detect the streamer when you switch to the correct HDMI input. After powering on, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. The remote should pair automatically, but if not, you'll be prompted to do so manually. Next, connect to your home Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Google account to unlock personalized recommendations, synced apps, and full access to the Google ecosystem. Once setup is complete, you're ready to dive in. Browse through a wide range of streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more, all from a single interface. You can use the remote or your voice via Google Assistant to search, play, and even control your smart home devices, all while enjoying smooth 4K playback. Set up with Google Home app. Download the Google Home app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Tap the plus icon on the home screen to add a device. Choose Set Up Device and then New Devices. Select your home or create one to continue the setup process. The app will start scanning for nearby devices. When your device appears, tap it to start the pairing process. You may see a code on your device. Confirm it matches on your phone. Choose your device location, like the kitchen or the living room. Connect it to your Wi-Fi and link relevant services, like music or video. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish and personalize settings. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Google TV Streamer 4K. See you in the next one.